Alright, today we're going to learn how to make bread in less than 2 minutes. First step you do is you grab an egg, you crack it open. Okay, then you go ahead and you drop it into, let's see, some flour. And let's go ahead and watch it drop. Droopy doopy. And let's see, next thing you want to do is you want to grab it and you want to mush it around and mush it around with your hands. Wait for the egg to drop. There you go. Now you got dough. You want to mush it around. Go really slowly because, gotta be sensitive to that bread. Push it around, mush it around. Make sure there's lots of flour on your hands. Let's see. Okay, you roll it around. Take your sweet time. There's no bread, no dough going anywhere. The bread's going to stay right where it's at. All right. Just keep mashing around. There you go. And you just roll it with your hands. Make sure you have lots of flour on your hands. And then you go ahead and you take it and you drop the dough from pretty high up. Drop it in some more flour. Make sure it has plenty of flour. And then here's a secret. You got to make sure you praise the bread by adding more flour. You clap your hands together saying, "Good job, bread. Good job. Very good." And that is how you summon the flour gods. I mean, that is how you make dough from bread in less than 2 minutes.